rate is 3 to 6 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Miami, Miami Gardens, North Miami Beach, Aventura, Miami Shores, El Portal, Pinewood, Golden Glades, Little Haiti, West Little River, Liberty City, Gladeview, Oges, Bay Harbor Islands, Biscayne Park, Alapata, and Ives Estates. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.